Today, I'll show you how to connect to a data source in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly connect to your data and start analyzing it in no time. First things first, you'll want to navigate to tableau.com. This is the official website where you can access all the tools and resources Tableau offers. Make sure you're on the right site to avoid any confusion or issues. Once you're there, you'll need to locate and click on the new button. You'll typically find this button positioned toward the right side of the page. Clicking new is your gateway to starting a fresh project or analysis. After clicking new, your next step is to select workbook. The workbook is essentially your blank canvas in Tableau. It's where you'll build your visualizations and perform all your analyses. Think of it as a new document in a word processor waiting to be filled with data insights. Now that you have your blank workbook, it's time to connect to your data. Look for the option that says Connect to Data. This button is crucial as it allows you to bring in the data you want to work with. Without connecting to data, your workbook will remain empty and you won't be able to create any visualizations. Once you click on Connect to Data, you'll see several options available to you. These include the site, files, connectors, and accelerators. Each of these options represents a different type of data connection. This site may refer to data sources that are already available within your Tableau online or server environment. Files allows you to connect to local files such as Excel spreadsheets or CSVs. Connectors provide access to a wide range of databases and cloud services. Accelerators are pre-built dashboards and templates that can speed up your analysis process. Choose the option that best fits your data source. For instance, if you have an Excel file on your computer, you'll want to select Files to connect to it. Finally, after choosing the appropriate connection type, you'll need to click Connect. This action will initiate the connection process and bring your data into Tableau. You might need to provide some additional information here, such as login credentials or a file path, depending on your data source. Once the connection is established, your data will appear in the workbook interface, ready for you to start analyzing and visualizing. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to connecting a data source in Tableau. By following these steps, you'll be set up and ready to dive into your data, unlocking insights and creating powerful visualizations. Remember, the key to effective data analysis starts with a solid connection to your data source, and now you know exactly how to achieve that in Tableau. Happy analyzing!